professional organizer Michelle Delorey's here. Wow, I bet you had a ball doing that. Does that make you happy when you see that?
Oh, of course. Yes, the transformation feels so great.
It really does. And you're encouraging everybody to do that too.
Definitely. Yes, it's so important. It's so important for our mental health as well and our well-being.
Yeah.
You know, what you surround yourselves with really affects the way you feel every day.
That's right.
Yeah, so it's important to, you know, love your home, love where you live.
Something you can control.
Exactly, yes.
Well, here we go. You're going to show us some great, I saw some of these in the notes. I went, I need to know more. So what do we need to know about this table?
Yeah, so, you know, everyone has a typical, like, area here where all of your containers, lids are kind of messed up. This is a typical, you know, area that people have. And my hack is actually this mailbox or stationery box.
Okay, let's take a look at that.
Yeah.
That's one of those things that you buy, right?
Basically, you're going to put the lids into here. You can go by the sizes so that you don't lose anything.
I want to cry right now. I want to cry. That's so good. That's great.
You can throw in the reusable straws.
Yeah.
This is from IKEA.
Yeah.
And yeah, so when you're ready to store everything, you're going to put it right into the drawer like so.
And it fits.
And then just stack your containers.
Okay.
Yeah.
IKEA.
Yes.
IKEA. Okay.
Yeah. So another thing that people do is, you know, we have our reusable water bottles, and they end up just being kind of like in the cupboard somewhere, and they get toppled over.
We were talking about this on the radio show this morning. They said, what's her hack? What's her hack?
Oh, so my hack is actually this magazine box. As you can see, this is from Muji. If you haven't heard of Muji yet, it's a Japanese lifestyle store with really cool minimalist design, good quality products. And what I use with this is I just put the bottles right in here so they're contained and they're not gonna topple over. You know, it lives in there, it's their home. And then you can just put it right in
I love it.
there.
So far, so great.
Yes.
Okay, next thing.
Yes, so this is the under the sink area.
Oh, no, it's not good.
Yes.
And I really try to reorganize it. I tried to do it over the holidays. It just didn't work out well. So tell me what I need to know.
It's okay. So we tend to always neglect this area.
Yeah.
And, you know, unfortunately, a lot of the stuff that's in there doesn't get used.
Yeah.
So what you want to do is you want to take everything out, make sure that, you know, what you bring back is still good to use. And when you bring things back, we're going to use these PP file boxes. This is from Muji, and we're going to put them nicely back into these containers right here.
Yeah.
And yeah, it just fits really nicely.
Oh,
these are actually for the office.
on.
These are multi-purpose. So you just store them right in there. And then this other box here is...
Narrow. Not, you know, my problem is they're all different sizes, and that's why it's not working. And this is...
And this is great for like your dustpan. And duster.
What is that, a file?
So this is like another file box for the office that you can repurpose for under the sink.
I'm going shopping today. Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah, and I mean, when you want to clean, you can just carry it with you and bring it where you need to go.
Yeah, or give it to my son and he can carry it.
Oh, there you go. And it just fits nicely in there.
All right, what's this all about?
Yeah, so...
This is a great idea.
Yes,
I love it.
So this is my hack for your kids' room.
Yeah.
This is another easy way for them to tidy. And basically, you have them throw in their stuffies. Just easily like that. No thinking, just throw it in. It keeps it, you know, a little bit more dust-free.
Right.
And then here, if your kid plays with Nerf guns or, you know, stuff like that, the really, you know, tall kind of items, you can just throw it in like that.
That is fantastic. I love it. I love it. Makes sense. It makes sense. It really makes sense.
And then this goes right into the closet.
Yeah, just slides right in because you got that little rolly.
Hidden away in the closet.
Nice. That's good. I like that. All right, this is something. I like this organization for when they get a little bit older.
Yeah, so actually, you know, in the morning, it gets chaotic when kids get ready for school.
Yeah.
So to, you know, save on time, you want to do it in advance. So say you're doing laundry on a Sunday, you want to prepare all the clothes that they're going to wear for every day of the week. This is an organizer, a closet hanger.
Where'd you get
and
that
it's from IKEA.
IKEA, okay.
And you can see for every day of the week, it shows Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, for each outfit that they need.
I love it.
Yeah, save time in the morning.
I love it. I love that idea. Now, let's talk about the office.
Yeah.
The office can even be put into, you know, like into the kitchen, right? That sort of idea.
It's true because now we're all relying on devices now, you know, and a lot of people are starting to work from home.
Yes.
But yeah, it's really ingrained in our lives. Like a lot of people use it for personal and for work. So my tip for keeping it clutter-free is to, you know, put your devices vertical into this file holder. and you can put your laptop in it as well, and you can put your chargers. And if you have a deep drawer, you can just hide it in there.
Yeah,
and
right.
it doesn't even need to live on the desk. Yeah.
And what about the rest of the stuff, which I love?
Yes,
Oh, I love
so
that too.
Papers.
I love.
Papers are
Yeah.
always incoming, and you know the way to deal with it is through these systems. And what I have here again is another magazine box. This is going to be for your incoming paper. That's all the bills, forms, letters that you need to deal with right away. You have it in this box, and when you see that it's empty, you know that you've dealt with everything right away.
Right.
So that's all the Act Now type papers.
What's one more thing you want to tell us?
Oh, so with the papers, there's more.
Because
You know, it's not just the bills that we deal with. It's also temporary paper like warranties, resumes. You know, if you want to read an article later, you have it in a folder like this with clear sheets, and you could just keep checking it periodically just to make sure that you know what you have in here is still good to use. And then if you don't need the paper, you let it go.
Where did you learn how to do this?
Where did I learn?
Where did you, like, what
I actually, I trained with Mary Kondo.
Did you?
Yeah, in New York City, and I learned how to be an organizer through her methods.
And did you find that you were better organized before you even got into that?
You know what? It's interesting because I wanted to be a minimalist. So I wanted to live with less, and I find that when you live with less, it's easier to organize.
Yes.
So I had that in me already. I think it was just something that I was meant to get into. You know, I never thought that I would end up as a professional organizer.
Tidy kid or messy kid?
Messy kid.
See, there's hope, everybody. There's hope. Thanks, Michelle.
Keeping it real.
That's great. Kim's Kitchen Reveal is coming up next. Don't go away. We'll be right back.